Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson squares and square roots, and now coming to the worksheet 5. Find the square root of the following fractions. Okay, so the square root of 324 upon 361. So how we have to do? When the fraction is given or a rational number is given, so square root of the numerator divided by square root of the denominator, isn't it? Find the square root of numerator and a denominator separately. So 324, whose square is it? 18, and 361 is of 19. You know the tables of the squares, isn't it? So find out. From the direct you can write. If it is a bigger number, show the method. Now 441 and 961. So square root of 441 upon square root of 961 is equal to 441 is of 21 and 961, you know the square of 30 is 900, so 31 is 961. Otherwise, do it from right side. So it is 3 3s are 9, 0, take 6 1 down, add 3, 6, so 1, 61. Okay, if it is a 1 mark question, direct MCQ questions, you can write the answers directly. But if it is solve the sum, then you might have to show the method. Now coming to the third one, the square root of 519 by 25. That means first convert it into the improper fraction, that is 25 in the denominator. 25 5s are 125 plus 19, it will be 144. Now square root of 144 upon square root of 25. Now 144 is of 12 and 25 is of 5. 5 how much are 12? 5 2s are 10, 2 by 5. So if it is a improper fraction answer, then convert into the mixed number. Now coming to the question number 4, square root of 21, 51 upon 169. So square root of 169 in the denominator. Now multiply 169 into 21 plus 51. You will get 3600. Okay. Then the calculation and all, you have to do it in the rough work. So 169. Now coming to the square root of 3600. So it is 0010, isn't it? And 36 is of 6. So 60 into 60 will be 3600 upon 169 is of 13. Now 13 how much are 60? 13 4s are and 8 remains. 13 4s are 52 and 8 remains. So hope you understood the question number 4. Now coming to question number 5, it is a square root of 5625 upon 441. So that means square root of 5625 upon square root of 441. Now first find out the square roots of both the numbers. So you can write 5625 grouping 56 means 7 sevens are 49. 16 minus 9 is 7. Bring 25 down. Add 7. It is 14. Now exact. It is a perfect square, so you can try with 5. 5 5s are 25. 4 5 4s are 20. 22. 5 1s are 5. 6 7. So you got 75. And in the denominator, you know already 441 is of a, which one? 21. 2, 4, 0. Bring 41 down. Add 2. It is 4, 1. Directly, you know the answer, you can write. Now 75 upon 21, they are divisible by 3, both of them. 3 7s are, 3 25s are. So you got 25 upon 7, that means 7 3s are 21, 4 remains. So the answer is 3 4 by 7. Is it clear? So if it is a bigger number, solve it and show the method and convert into mixed number. Now coming to the question number 6. It is 7 square root of 7, 18 upon 49. So square root of 49 in the denominator. Now multiply 49 sevens are and plus 18. You will get 361. That is a square root of 361 upon square root of 49. That is equal to 361 is of 19 upon 7. 7 2s are 14. 5 remains and 7. Okay. Now coming to the 7th sum. Square root of 729 in the denominator. When you multiply and add, you will get 17161. So you got 17161. That means square root of 17161 upon square root of 729. So multiply these two, then add. Okay, that calculations and all you have to do. Now find out 17161 from right side grouping. 1 1s are 1. When you subtract, you will get 0. Bring 7 1 down. Add 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2. If you put 2 3s are 6. If you put 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. Yes, you can put. So 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. So you got 11 minus 9 is 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. Bring this 61 down. Add 3. 3 plus 3 6 and 2. Here it is 261. So it will be 1. So 261. When you subtract, it is 0. So you got the answer 131. Isn't it? So numerator it is 131. 729 you already know. Otherwise, if you want, you can do. It is 2 2s are 4. 3 remains. 29. Bring it down. Add 2. It is 4. 4 how much are 32? 4 8s are. But it is ending with 9. So you have to put check with 7. It is a perfect square. So 7 7s are 49. 7 sevens are 49. 7 fours are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. If it is a perfect square ending, you can identify the number. So it is 27. Now convert into the mixed number. So 27 fours are and 23 remains upon 27. Okay. Now coming to the eighth sum, it is a square root of 1441 upon. When you multiply these two and then add, you will get 50625. So in the numerator it is 50625 and in the denominator it is 1441. Okay, now it will be square root of 50625 and in the denominator it is square root of 1441. Do 50625. Isn't it? Method. You remember? Now it is a 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 1 remains. Bring 6 down. Isn't it? Now add 2. It will be 4. Now 4 twos are 8. So put 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are 8. 6 minus 4, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. Bring 25 down. Add 2. It became 44. Now, if it is 2 digits and 4 digits, means we have to try with the 9 actually. No. 4 how much are 22? Sorry, 4 how much are 22? 4 5s are 20. Ending with 5. Yes, we can try and then write. Okay. Now I am writing directly. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 22. 5 4s are 20. 22. So you got the numerator. It is 225. And in the denominator, it is a 1441. It is 14. It is a 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So we have to try with 3. 3 3s are 9. 14 minus 9 is 5. Bring 41 down. Add 3. It is 6. The question is 1444. I made a mistake in writing the question 1444. Okay. So, ending with 4 means it is a 8, isn't it? So, you can try with 8. 6 how much are 54? 6 8s are 48. So, 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 6 are 48, 49, 50, 54. So, the answer is here it is 38. Now, convert. It is 535 by 38. Final answer. Sorry, the question I had written 1441. Actually, it is 1444. Okay. So we have completed question number 1. Hope everyone understood the square root of the rational numbers, isn't it? Okay then, bye. Thank you.